Yes, people, bless up on yourself. I want to say give thanks to the uprising, you see it? Yeah, man, I want to say give thanks to life and give thanks to everything what is right and what is good, you see it? Yeah, man, so me I see some things are going in our culture, in our space, and me not feel good about it differently still. Jano, me no like the direction where dance all I go. Seeing? We notice them sitting here, cause nothing not just happen abruptly. Everything takes stages. Seeing? And we notice over time. Our entertainers, the people them what we look up to, the people them what we empower, seeing? The people them what we take say, yeah, them people here, them are represent us. We empower them people. And we notice over time say, we culture get infiltrated by Western norms, Western ideologies. We culture get Americanized. We grab onto this globalized thing. And when you grab onto something where foreign to your thing and you go incorporate it, it's like you go water it down. You go destroy your culture, your identity. As me I say, me notice over time, them people where we empower for represent we start to tie with some little things. Then start to play with some little negative energy. And we sit back and we laugh with it and we giggle around with it. And we are watch how the young mind start to gravitate to the things them where these people, what we empower, as me say, to represent us. Seeing them a speak for we. As Bounty Killer say, my grand Godzilla, him a the ghetto gladiator. Them a speak for people who don't have no voice. Them a express we culture for us who are not entertainers. We are not singers, but we are part of the culture. See? And we grew up in our system. See? And watch now. You see system what we grew up in. Remember, say, we create no night. So all of we grew up through Christianity. And Christianity teach we certain morals and certain code of conduct. You understand? And me see it say, them entertainer, them start to take on some other people expression and want to enforce it upon us. So instead of them a work for us, them a work for them nowadays. So it's either them a work for the devil or them a work for some little organization who want to water down the culture and destroy the impressionable mind of the young youth them where come up. Spice. You have a boy pitney in a Spice. Spice, you have a boy pitney. Them energy we wanna play with, Una for know say, at the farm on the depend, planting, you see when time of harvest time, make sure say, prepare for reap one or so out there, Spice, remember, you have a boy child. See? No amount of acceptance no worth the destruction of the youth where you have. Fame future. See, cause guess what, my Spice? Me see it say, you want square and you try fit in a some circle. You try fit in, but you go fall out. And you go fall out with the wrong set of people them. And you see wrong set of people them, a right set of people them who will have your back. What you wanna represent for them. And then when I hope say you ain't gonna represent for them. And that they empower you for you. Them say you are the dancehall queen. You know all of the principles where dancehall stand by. So them kind of display you what me say you carry out on the show where there. You have a man who come there and use a song from somebody who them destroy the man career.
Need a light boom boom, need a light boom boom. Tight tight. Me not reach that yet. Me not reach that yet. This is a real bestie. Me say need a light boom boom, need a light boom boom. Tight tight good, no one tight tight good. Me say watch me back it up, never lift it to top up.
And them have you a disrespect dancehall and a disrespect Shabba. Spice, you see now the spike at the moment. Sometimes we do some things because we feel like I say it a go create one like a buzz. But you see that 1 minute buzz that we create, remember say it go carry a ripple effect. You tie with some things in a spice. It look like you know remember say there's Almighty in a spice. Yo, people. Me no rate what me say all in this show ya. Me no rate it none at all. Cause you see if you're going to the sea and you go around some fish and you go fool around with the fish them, it depends on you. You go in a circle and you go cause problem. And you cause problem for yourself. But you see when time the fish come out of the sea and come on the land, and the person who we think say I represent we are that the person there I carry the fish on the land stage. You don't know say you want big disappointment. A long time I know say some of them women here where we have in a dancer. Them no mean their self, they no mean the youth them. They no mean the culture no good. And money, all of them a look pan. So then we do anything and everything to make money. And at that me notice with the youth them. The youth them last the moral. The principle was used to hold we up. See? Cause watch ya. You see all of what we learn, and them we learn it from, you know. The society where fight Shabba Rank's career. Remember say, at them indoctrinate we with Christian teachings and Christian ideologies. And Shabba Ranks upon an interview and in quote a Bible scripture from the same Bible what them use for enslave we and indoctrinate we. And in career get right off. See? And the woman who we now say she are the queen where they represent dancehall have one of the person who destroy the man career. I sing the man song. I gimmick out the man song. I bow out the man song. And then have you Spice do them sitting there. If you watch the energy where you work on in a Spice. Yeah man. If you watch the energy where you work on. You see dancehall? Dancehall are one tool of it take people who would have never dreamed for come out of poverty. Spice. You see what you display upon that stage, and at that the people empower you for. Seeing? Some things stray your mind somewhere, some part in your journey. You see it? I don't know if people where you start to sit down and have seminar and meeting with, and you have people now come around you and coach you and all kind of different kind of sitting and make it feel like I say you move from upward mobility, and this are how you expected to behave and all of them kind of sitting there, you see it. But you have to understand the manipulation and the mind control. Because the game one day now, it come with all of them things there. It come with control and manipulation and they sitting there. And how far willing to go, it go prove the success wanna get. But you say if you lose on a moral and gain certain kind of wealth, you not go happy. You not go feel like an empty shell. You not go feel all and lonely in the end. Nobody not go want to be around you. Because the system one not working it a change, you know. And the system one not working is a devil system. And if you remember that, I devil control music business. I devil control entertainment business. And we not to play like I say, we not realize and we not see it because it's playing in front of our eyes. But the thing is, we allow them people to tie with certain kind of negativity and then promote certain kind of derogative kind of lifestyle. They normalize certain kind of liberty where it just terrible. Because if you notice, them have a saying, yeah? Them say behind every successful man, there is a strong woman. But me I go further that same way too, because guess what? You see behind the demise and destruction of every society, there is always a woman there behind it. Because if you notice, the dancehall and the reggae music, it get infiltrated. And you notice who them use to infiltrate the music, the woman them. Because we open doors for certain little things. And me hear some people I blame certain little people like them as a cartel and some people bring in certain things. No. Cartel kick the door open. But guess what? Some man or some people when crack the door a long time. And then when they tie with some things, but then do it in a sound like a subliminal way. And we just allow it, make it slide until at this it reaches, you know. Seeing? Because as a people, we love certain little things too much. Some little man me here come out and talk up them out nowadays and fight off certain things. Them responsible for crack the door for them kind of breach in a dancehall. You see the selector them, the dancehall selector them. And them first start to normalize certain little things. The dancehall selector them start to talk one at a time about. Then we bun or then we slap with a fish. But then we love a lesbian. You see them little talk there? It give rise to what we say, the entrance of the people them who go bring in certain things. And it come through the woman them. If you see what I deal with. And we normalize and we popularize these people. And we give them a pass. But the pass what we give them are this. I come in pan way. Seeing? Cause watch ya, me's a man like this differently still. You know? Me no business about a one lifestyle, you know. Seeing? A one can live their lifestyle. But them know say, for them club and for them entertainment space, a for them place. You see, our club, our entertainment space, it should be our space. And if you have a problem with we expressing ourselves in our space, and we not come in your space, come do that. Why you want to come change things now where you want to come in our space, come do them kind of things. And look who we allow to do them kind of things, you see. A same place in England, you saw Shabba career get crashed. You have to watch yourself in a spice. I set you up for your fall in a spice. You get set up for your fall. Seeing? You see what you go through with you and people out here pray for you and people out here chant for you and people out here wish all kind of life success for you. And we think say you gonna come out can redeem yourself and can give you a more positive reflection of you and the people them what you represent. And on this we did a look for. And on this we did ask you for represent about. The message you have is spice. I'm a hope say somebody can share that video so spice can reach it. You see it? Cause she need to hear them things there. We disappointed in the move where you make spice. And we now go hold it back and go on like I said. You understand? The people them barely accept you back where they are. Because of all of this devil thing where you come up and you name all of this. Obia this and obia that and all kind of shit now come up on your name. Spice, you know, sister, you go down in one hole and you dig yourself deeper. Why you see one chist down there? The pirate them show you which spot the X mark the spot. So you dig for your chest. You have to watch your old pirate them where you work with. People, I know some go out on a rant a while ago, but trust me, me vex about this thing here. Me vex about this thing here. You understand? Especially if you're you to that represent certain kind of way. You understand? Any man make a little mistake around popcorn. Why? Popcorn, why? How comes this happen? Why it happen? And that me I done the video with the people. So don't go and bless up on yourself. And if you don't like the content, then just click the like button and just click the subscription button in at the same time. You see it? I'm want to say give a shout out to all the people who they subscribe, man. Heart of love and much respect. Seeing? Because you don't know, we not take nothing for granted. And we are say gratitude is a must. So now go and bless up on yourself, people, and stay positive and stay good. You understand? Until the next video. Rastafari live. Blessed.